Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mark a message as unread on Google Pixel 10 Pro. If you want to mark a message as unread, you will need to go to the Messages app, but first I'll just receive a message. Okay, I should receive it now. Let's go to the Messages app. You can see I have a message right here. So now it is read by me already, right? So if I go back, you can see it shows up as read. Maybe, for example, you've read a message and then you thought you can't respond now, so you want to mark it as unread, so you know that you need to go back to it later. So you can just press and hold on it. Then tap on the three dots here and click on mark as unread, and it displays as if it was unread. But remember, if you're using RCS chat, which has read receipts, so the other person knows whether the message was read or unread. If you've already read it and marked it as unread, they will still know that you've read the message. It only marks it for you. So if you have read receipts enabled, then they'll see that it was read anyway. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.